Many English learners understand English. They read English. They listen to English. But when it is time to speak, they feel nervous. The mind becomes quiet. Words disappear. Confidence disappears. This happens to millions of English learners. The problem is not intelligence. The problem is not grammar. The real problem is fear of speaking. Today, you will learn a simple method to remove that fear, a method used by confident speakers, a method you can practice every day. This method has 3 steps: think, speak, expand. When you practice this routine daily, something powerful happens. Your brain stops translating, your voice becomes natural, your confidence grows. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and prepare your voice. Welcome to Rising Voice English. Welcome back to Rising Voice English. This channel helps beginner learners speak English confidently. Every lesson focuses on real speaking practice, not just listening, not just grammar, real speaking. Today is day 22 of your speaking journey. Consistency is the key to fluency. Small daily actions create big progress. Today, we practice a powerful speaking technique called the 3-step confidence method. Step 1. Think about a simple idea. Step 2. Speak one clear sentence. Step 3. Expand your sentence with more details. This method trains your brain to produce English naturally. You do not need complex vocabulary. You only need simple ideas and clear sentences. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help your brain learn faster. Now let us begin the speaking practice. I am practicing English today. My voice is becoming stronger. Speaking English helps my confidence. I am learning step by step. I speak English every day to improve my fluency. My voice becomes clearer with practice. Every small practice session builds my confidence. Why do you want to improve your English speaking? Pause. Think. Speak. Good. Step 1. Think. My favorite food is rice with vegetables. I enjoy listening to relaxing music in the evening. I learned a new English word today. Step 2. Speak. I enjoy learning English. Speaking English helps my future. I practice every day. I am improving my fluency. Step 3. Expand. I like reading books in the evening because it helps me relax. I study English every day because it helps my career and communication. I enjoy coffee in the morning because it helps me feel awake. I like learning languages because it helps me understand different cultures. What motivates you to learn English? Where do you usually practice English? What is one challenge you face when speaking English? What helps you stay motivated?
Hello, how is your English practice going? It is going well. I practice speaking every day. What helps you practice? I follow a daily speaking routine. First, I think about a simple idea, then I speak one clear sentence. After that, I expand the sentence. That sounds helpful. Yes, it makes speaking easier. Do you feel more confident now? Yes, daily practice makes a big difference. Speak about your day for 30 seconds. Describe your morning. Describe your main activity today. Describe something you enjoyed. Speak about your English learning goals. Why you want to learn English. How you practice. What progress you want in the future. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is communication. Confident speakers practice even when they make mistakes. Consistency matters more than perfection. Daily speaking builds confidence. Daily speaking creates fluency. Let us review today's lesson. You learned the 3-step confidence method. Step 1. Think about a simple idea in English. Step 2. Speak one clear sentence. Step 3. Expand the sentence with details. Small daily practice creates big results. Even 15 or 20 minutes each day can transform your speaking ability. Your voice will grow stronger, your confidence will grow stronger, and your English will become more natural. Thank you for practicing with Rising Voice English. Continue your journey. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep rising with Rising Voice English.